Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide trend line of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we go to the insert menu, then click chart option, then select chart and click OK. Then click the chart and click the chart element. Then we can see here the trend line. We check mark on the trend line and click OK. Now we can see here we show or hide the trend line. You can apply in another line. Otherwise, hide this trend line. Click the check mark off. Now we can see here we hide or show the trend line of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.